It's a beach day. My friend and sister. We're finally here. Subscribe, like, leave a comment down below.
What's good, guys? It's your girl Team Tinaj Barbies, and today is a beach day. So I decided to come to the beach with some of my friends and my sister. So yeah, it's a beach day. So let's go explore the beach. It's actually Lamé Beach in Dubai. So yes, and this is how I'm dressed. My outfit. Just put on my dress. And I'm looking all pretty. So let's go. Say hi.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog, Team Tinaj Barbies.
Don't forget to follow Sweetie Bird. Team Tinaj Barbies.
Was dancing to a music. This was a different day.
Bush rap. Boom. Let's go explore the beach. I'm here with my crew. T for Team Tinaj Barbies.
Next day duty calls. On my way to work. At the bus stop waiting for the bus. Some pictures in the bus. In the bus. Almost at my destination. Out of the bus. Recording a video for Facebook. Walking to my workplace. Done at work. Waiting for bus at the bus stop. Shikara hahaha. Was so hot, so I got my umbrella. Still waiting. Thanks for watching. The end.